drifted in puddles down on the streets below. Coffee cups on the table, still warm, taking it slow. I hold you while the world rushes by. Soft city night, your jacket on my shoulders, my fingers find your ring. A scooter cuts through the wet street, and the night goes back to sing. We don't chase the loud tomorrow, we let the moment stay. I kiss your cheek, you close your eyes, and my worry fades away. Still here in the soft city rain, still here, and we don't have to explain. Soft city rain. If the years come fast and heavy, if the days get sharp and long, we'll come back to this balcony, to the place where we belong.